Hey guys, my name is Trina. Today's video is going to be Tatcha Indigo Overnight Repair Cream. If this is your first time here and you want to learn more about skincare, please don't forget to click the subscribe and notification bell so you don't miss any beauty video. This is the moisturizer. I have my phone and I'm going to read you guys the claims about this moisturizer. It claims it is a fragrance-free moisturizer that calms redness and strengthens the skin barrier for hydrating glow. It is suitable for normal, dry, and combination skin. It targets dryness, uneven texture, and redness. And the ingredients it has Japanese indigo extract, which visually soothes irritated skin with skin calming properties, and it also has ceramide blend with replenishes peptides to hydrate and diminish the look of fine lines and wrinkles. And it also has mango grass root, which balances the microbiome to help skin perform at its optimum level, and is cruelty free. It retails for $92 and it's available at Sephora. This is the moisturizer. I love the blue packaging. Now I'm going to open it. So as I'm opening, this is how it looks like in the inside. So now I'm going to take some and I'm going to place it on my hand. So as I'm applying it on my hand, I'm going to massage the product in. So as I'm massaging the product in, I feel that the formula of this overnight cream is lightweight. So it's one of those lightweight moisturizers. My honest opinions about this Tatcha Indigo Overnight Repair Cream. The first thing I like about is it hydrates my skin. My skin feels hydrated and plump. And I also love the fact that it's fragrance free and it's cruelty free. So first impression, this Tatcha Indigo Overnight Repair Cream did an amazing job. It left my skin dewy, and I also love the fact that my skin feels soft and smooth. I really like it. No irritation whatsoever, so it is true that it's suitable for normal dry combination skin, which is amazing. I just really like how it left my skin feel, and I also love the fact that the formula is lightweight, which is great, but a little bit goes a long way. You just got to keep that in mind. A little bit goes a long way. I love how it left my skin. So this is the first time of me using this product. I definitely have to continue using this product, but overall I like this product. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this review of this moisturizer. If you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe right here or right here, and I'll see you in my next video.